Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for July 17, 2020. Today we're taking a look at the USDCAD, the US dollar, versus the Canadian dollar for today's trade analysis. Looking here actually at the 4-hour time frame on the left-hand side for the dollar CAD, we could see the market holding over the past several hours. We're looking at about 4, 8, 12, 16 hours or so, holding above the pink shaded area, 1.3570, 1.3555. That's that pink zone that you see there. Holding above it. It was above it before. We've seen it hold support here the last time we challenged above it and moved back to the orange zone. We've seen other times getting above the pink zone, moving back to the orange zone. So at this point, as long as it holds above here, I'm looking for a long opportunity as close as possible to that pink shaded area. So let's just put an arrow there. And of course, easily to determine the risk is that it breaks down underneath that pink shaded area. Stop loss, if you decide to go long here, will be underneath that pink zone. It doesn't need to be too far. Let's see, let's just measure that. We're only looking at about 20 to 25 pips risk or stop loss underneath the pink zone, because at this point we just want to see it stay above there. We don't want it to get back underneath that pink shaded area. If it does, likely going down to the yellow zone or lower, so we don't want to stick with it if it does that. So staying above the pink zone, targeting back to the orange zone or higher. If I take this out to the daily time frame, you can see we've been in this range for quite a while. So if it gets through the orange zone, let me zoom in one time there. If it gets through, this is the daily time frame, from the pink zone back to the orange zone, back through the orange zone, we're looking at 1.366085, the blue zone, as our next target, and that's what it shows here on the daily time frame. So really the key part of the day today is that it stays above the pink zone, targets the orange zone or higher to the blue zone for the dollar CAD. Back to the 4-hour time frame, if I squeeze it in, there's that blue zone sitting up there at the very top of the chart. Again, we just don't want to see it get back under the pink zone today. On the right hand side, of course, is our volume indicator. You can see sitting on top of that pink zone right now for the past several hours, as indicated to the left hand side. We could even zoom this out a little bit maybe, and we can see all the time sitting down on top of that pink zone. So the key point today is buying close to the pink zone, risk or stop loss under the pink zone, targeting the orange zone or higher for the dollar CAD today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.